Hello, my name is Dražen Petrović. I'm the Registrar of the Administrative Tribunal of International Labour Organization, and today I will have a pleasure and honor to present to you one of the oldest existing international institutions, which is the Administrative Tribunal of the International Labour Organization. Let me start with a couple of remarks about creation of tribunal. I think there were two reasons that I can identify for creation of this tribunal. One was internal, one was external to the organization that created it.